Alright, good morning guys. Well, I don't know. Yeah, it's morning. Good morning guys, my name is LyricRochester and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. And I've been getting some it's been brought to my attention on more than one occasions that you guys aren't being notified when I upload. Please click the notification bell. I'm uploading for this entire month of August, and to be honest, I'm behind content right now. So, but I have 2 makeup to do on my friends, or is it 3? And then I have makeup to do where I'm talking about products that I love. Products like this Inglot number 77 Gel Eyeliner Gel, right? Let me just say like how it's written on the packaging. It's in the color number 77 and it is black. Now a weird thing happened. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but a weird thing happened. I actually left mine, I think, tilted over, and it kind of like just drooped to this side. So the cover kind of looks like this, but it's fine. It still works. There's nothing wrong with the consistency or anything like that. This thing glides on extremely smoothly. I've never used the number 77 gel, Inglot 77 eyeliner gel before. I've always heard about it. Yes, Papa?
What is it?
Huh?
What this?
I'm filming.
Really?
Yeah, I'm making a video.
With the video?
Yeah. Yes, I've always heard about it, but I've never tried it before. You guys know, I don't know if you know, but back in the day I used to be in love with my Inglot lipstick. I think it's the 350 lipstick or 305 nude lippy, and that was the only thing I owned from Inglot. It was a gift from one of my friends and I absolutely loved it. Now, being the brand ambassador for Fontana Pharmacy now, Fontana Pharmacy now carries Inglot Cosmetics, the original Inglot necessity. And one of the products that they have is this eyeliner gel number 77. It is jet black. Yes, Papa? It is jet black. It goes on very smoothly, but it dries matte and it stays put the entire day. I don't think you understand. I live in Jamaica, so people always do these tutorials, you know, how to make a makeup last in the heat through the summer. I'm like, Mama, I'm constantly trying new things to make all of this last, boo-boo, all of this. And the Inglot, when I would use a liquid liner or another gel liner or an eyeliner or whatever, and I put it on my waterline, it always goes away and or runs. Now, I did a very dramatic wing liner the other day. Dramatic. And I filmed the video where we're taking off my makeup and talking about my piercings and stuff. That video, I had on that eyeliner stayed put the entire day, and I was sweating, and that thing stayed put. I was absolutely shocked at how well that stayed put. So now, I'm saying this to say it works. I don't know what the formula is, I don't know how they do it, but it does not move. It doesn't budge for the entire time that it's there, no matter how much you sweat. It doesn't run. No, I would advise when you put it on, allow it to set, allow it to dry, and it does not run. It does not move for the entire day. This Inglot eyeliner gel 77 in number 77, I can just imagine what the other colors are like, you know. I can just imagine what the other colors are like, because I wouldn't use it as a shadow base, because after a while it's no longer sticky, it sets, it dries matte. So using it as a shadow base, I don't if I'm going to use the other colors as a shadow base, I'd have to put it on quickly and work with it quickly. But let me say this, your eyeshadow will take a while to come off. Like, I'd use this Inglot shadow base like for carnival. Like, that's some good carnival eyeshadow base. Like the gel liner, I can use the colored one for eyeshadow bases, and that I would use for carnival or anything that I'm going to be on road for the entire day. Nothing that I'm gonna have to wipe off and take off. So I wouldn't recommend using them for like photo shoots or video shoots that you can have to do multiple looks, because it is going to stay put, and it will be staying put for a while, but yeah, I have nothing much more to say about this for these 31 days in August. I'm just really happy I have the opportunity to talk to you guys about products that I love, and to just sit and talk to you guys about me, my weight loss journey, where I am, where my confidence is. And I don't mind doing videos like this. I don't mind being candid. I don't mind being open with you guys. And being on YouTube for years, I've learned I don't mind being judged. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, Inglot Eyeliner Gel number 77. It's sold right here in Jamaica at Fontana Pharmacy, and you can shop at fontanapharmacy.com. When you shop at fontanapharmacy.com, if you spend over $50, you automatically get free shipping, and that's both internationally and here locally as well. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.